Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Now today we're going to be talking about Docsity, and we're going to be discussing about what the platform is all about and how you can actually join this platform and participate here. Now, first things first, it is important to let you know that I do not participate on Docsity, neither have I received a payment from them. So my review is basically based on the research that I did and also from other people's opinions, the people that have actually used this platform. So Docsity, what is this all about? So on Docsity, basically you will be selling in your notes, right? So this can include like college notes, university notes, or things like that, maybe articles or something that you've written, maybe from a school, if you have maybe question papers or things like that. So you'll be selling those notes to other students that basically need them. Right, so you upload these notes, and then each and every time when they download, you earn passive income. So on this platform already, there are millions, right, of study materials that have been uploaded there, and they have like more than 34 million plus students that are actually participating here or have accounts with Docsity, and they have like more than 22,000 plus universities and schools from over 180 countries, which is basically amazing. So I did a little bit of research on Docsity, and it has 4 stars out of 2,000 reviews, right? And most people are basically satisfied with this platform, and they have had like a great experience. So, which is something to think about. And these are some of the reviews that you can read, right? And most of them are like 4 stars, and which is very, very good. And one of these is best study documents, and Docsity is helping students achieve their goals in exams, pass with A+ grade. Thanks so much for Docsity. Yeah, so I think I will be doing a more in-depth explanation of these reviews later on in this video, right? Preparing for an exam. So here you download notes, as I've mentioned. You can download notes maybe based on your maybe the module that you're doing or subject that you're doing. So you can just come here, search the kind of maybe documents of your field, then just check a couple of them that actually match the things or that has things that you need for your project or whatever use case you might have, right? So as I said, like you earn money on Docsity as students download your document. And they also have an AI kind of a program that help you with maybe creating summaries. So it will basically help you with your learning process, right? And help you create summaries, quizzes, and basically concept maps, which is I think is a nice feature, especially now that we are in the generation of AI. So that's actually a very, very nice feature to have. So find the best study materials. So as you can see, what different papers, right? There's the or A level or Sierra chemistry paper 1. You can download any of these depending on your field. And the countries, we've got countries like United States, Philippines, India, Vietnam, different countries that participate here, right? And the universities, right? Different types of universities that they support. And they have something called the uni, or we try uni. I think this is actually a feature that kind of bundles like together the universities that Docsity works with, and very, very good, especially for people that actually looking to advance their careers. And some of these partners that have partnered with Docsity include Bocconi, IE University, then Eastern University, Escape, Audencia, and things like that. And some of the programs possibly that you might pursue with the bachelor's degree, master's degree, master of business, MBA. I think this is the one that I want to do. Then doctoral degrees. So you can actually do these programs in any of these universities. Right. So you can actually view the countries, like the universities from these countries. I think these are the ones that are accepted here. Upload the documents once and for each download. So this is what you're going to get. First of all, of course, you have to decide how much you want to earn, and this will in turn help you decide how much or how many documents you want to upload, and also how much you're willing to charge for them. And once you're done uploading, you basically have to do nothing, right? So just relax, and the Docsity platform will do all the selling for you, right? And they have, as I say, like millions of students around the world. So you do have like a market, I would say, possibly, or people that are actually interested in your stuff. So $2,000 per month is the potential that you can earn. But again, I just want to be very realistic with you, right? I don't think you are likely to earn this much per month. Why? Because of the whole AI thing, right? People can actually maybe do research and write most of the stuff on their own. AI can just produce everything, right? Produce the sources and the things like that. So it's actually easier to search for documents which are free, of course, like on AI, or even search for like an answer from AI alone. And before even AI arrived right on StudyPoll, they promised the same amount, right? And I think I did upload mine. And I think from that, I only sold one document, which was about like $5. So this aspect of maybe earning $2,000 per month, I don't think you will get that. But I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it depends. Maybe on the type of subject. For example, maybe sciences or mathematics or anything like that. Maybe it might sell this much, but personally, I don't just see it. Right? I just don't see it. So it says to give you an idea, we have sellers who make $100 a month, others who exceed 2,000 a month, and quantity make a difference. So I don't know, but I think that's always not the case. So selling notes online is easy, right? According to their own process, you have to upload your document, right? Select the best documents that you can get and then upload them. Then set the price of your document, how much you're going to earn. And I think for this, I think you have to kind of search for other people that are in the same field as you and how much they do charge theirs. And then you simply put the same price, right? So you choose how much you earn, download quickly, finally withdraw earnings with PayPal. Then you have to activate your seller profile. Of course, you have to do a bit of verification and yeah, things like that. That's the process basically. So you can actually read some of the stories from other people that have participated here. Like for example, this user called Beatrice from Madrid. So like that says, at first I shared my documents for free. Since then they were receiving so many downloads, I tried selling them. From that moment I started making good money. So I think you can actually read some of those stories on your own. And for more information, you can actually read the FAQs. Like for example, what can I sell on Docsity, type of documents, how can I boost my sales, what happened to Doc for Sale. And for Doc for Sale, I think it was maybe one of their platforms, which I think they've integrated again to Docsity. I think that's what. So what can I sell on Docsity? They said you can sell documents you own at the total intellectual property, university notes, then high school notes, cheat sheets, maybe term papers, presentations, and written notes, outlines, concept maps, and so on. How can I boost my sales? They have a guideline for that. Then I think one of the most important questions is that how do I withdraw my money once the document has been sold? So they said you'll be able to make a withdrawal request within my sales section of your account, right? The request is processed within 15 days. A minimum withdrawal of $5 is required. So you need to reach this minimum in order to withdraw your money. So do I have to pay to sell my notes online? No, selling on Docsity is free. You can edit a seller profile, So I think you can actually read most of these on your own. Ready to start to sell your notes online? Okay, then you have to come to click on Start Earning right here. This will take you to this page right here. And here you can find a bunch of options, right, that you need to fill out. So what are you currently studying for? Is it a high school diploma, degree, or postgraduate course, or things like that? Then you have to select one. In my case, I think I selected this degree here. Then they have to fill out like the name of the university, right? Then study area, like that. then it's click confirm. And here you can add up the subjects that you will be selling right here. And they said you can add up to at least 5 subjects, right? Maybe you've got modules or things like that. You can actually put them there, and then you click on save. Now this will create your account, which will be this one, right? Now, as you can see right here, we do have a profile ready, and we also have like a notification. So now this will be my account. And in order to at least upload, I think you can come to this part here, click this arrow to upload, or even just go to start selling right now. And if you click on this notification, this is what you're going to see. And you also see this pop-up right here that prompts you to upload your documents. So you can click upload documents right away to upload any of your documents. So if you come to the profile itself, click on the profile right here. This is what you're going to see. You have got the home tab, favorites, documents that you've uploaded, the ones that you've downloaded, the AI, manage account, manage subscriptions, and so on. And during the registration process, they're going to send you this message, which is kind of like a welcome message, introduction, and you can just read it if you want. So as I've said, like this platform has a good review, right? 4 stars out of thousands of reviews, and you can read most of these. And as you can see, like most people, I think they do kind of love it. And the nice thing is that they do kind of respond right here, which is very, very nice. So I'll say most of these reviews are very positive. As you can see, they've got a 64% of 5 stars, 15% of that, and 13% of 4 stars. So guys, that's all about Docsity. And again, if you think that is something that you can do or you wanted to do, I'll encourage you to do it. But personally with this, I experienced the same thing with Study Pool. And I would say that I had a positive experience there. I would say most of these things do not always work, right? I tried selling mine, but I failed. I don't know what the problem was. So if you think that you want to try it, go ahead and try it. So guys, again, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.